hmaa hết rồi. Đó.
What makes you, what motivates you to go for this environmental?
Actually, sir, no, actually, sir, I was working with last 3 years in All India Radio as a voice of youth in a voice of youth program. So here, one segment is the pollution. Every day, one segment is going for awareness for pollution. So one day it came to my mind, ki, really, if every day we are trying to do like ki, what is environment? Everyone say ki, people are not giving attention for environment, you know. But no one can do with own self. So therefore, first of all, I think ki, I am doing first with myself. Then I am talking about other self. So therefore, I am dedicating 1% of my life, and cycle is very good thing for observing much more things because this is slow motion criteria. So
It's environmental friendly also.
yes, also eco-friendly.
Yeah, eco-friendly
So
also.
and also when you are going with cycle, so every people, you know, 0 to 100, they all are very comfortable to talk with you,
Yes.
very comfortable to join with you.
Yeah.
You know, when I was when I was went anywhere, so you know, especially beggar also. You know, when I was in Telangana, one beggar is coming, and he gave me 500 rupees.
The beggar gave you?
Yes,
Okay.
beggar gave me 500 rupees. So I said, "Ki, don't worry, don't worry, don't take." But he said, "No, I'm not a beggar. This is my profession.
Okay.
And every month I earning, 20,000 rupees. So this is for you because you are doing very good for nation." So this thing is very inspirational for me.
Yeah.
So therefore, like some
It will give you more strength also,
yes.
no?
And when anyone say like that ki, all the very best, so this is also making my stand for paddling for new heights. Oh. And also Northeast, one of the best place for nature. You know, if we don't talk about capitals, so almost Northeast parts are very beautiful and very evergreen. Also, plastic free zones are in Northeast because Northeast peoples, they live in villages. They know very well ki what is the precious thing for environment. So only capitals and only educated peoples, only educated peoples, they are very responsible for nowadays growing pollution. Only educated peoples, because we know very well ki any down to earth people, who have 10,000 rupees income monthly, they, I think they can't borrow bottles on hills, so who borrow bottles on hill, very well.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
I think they all are the very educated person, but they don't take any responsibility because they believe in money. They think ki money is always honey. So therefore, this is the
So
basically
it
reason.
seems it is your first time in
Yes,
Mizoram, right?
Mizoram
So
first.
how do you know about the routes, and like by using GPS or maps, or
Yes,
you
maps.
ask peoples, or how do you
Maps and
manage
local peoples.
local peoples? Okay. So suppose now it's like almost like a monsoon time in Mizoram. It's started raining in somewhere and windy also.
Yeah.
So if there is a rain on your route or while you are going for pedaling, so you stop by or just go.
No, stopping.
Stop
I
by.
have also gadgets like raincoats, etc. But first, I want to will try to stop in here.
Okay.
because in northeast rain we don't have any idea when
Yeah,
ice burst,
yeah.
in Hindi ole,
Mhm.
कब गिरने लगे उसका कोई
पता
भरोसा
नहीं.
नहीं. Yes, really, but weather is outstanding, especially at a night time. Really, I am too fearing when wind is too high.
And one more, since it is related to environment and pollution kind of thing,
Yes.
so have you met some person like the environmentalist here in Mizoram and in other states? And what do you think about the pollution here in Mizoram? Aizawl?
Sir, in Aizawl, it's a very typical thing for me because Aizawl is very typical hilly area. So I visit only little parts. है ना? In little parts, I saw.
You came directly to the city, or when you come to Aizawl?
Yes. I came from the city, Durtalang.
Dutlang.
Durtalang to city.
Okay.
But in Aizawl, I think here some of plastic bags, plastic bottles, है ना, they throw anywhere.
Exactly. that's
Plastic
that's a bitter
bottles.
truth.
Yeah, because or also when I observed that, so especially educated people, I also in many anywhere everywhere have dustbin, but many people, they have no habit to throw garbage in dustbin. So dustbin is here, and they talking about and they eating and throw another area.
So are you talking about Mizoram or other state also?
Everywhere, sir.
Everywhere you are
Everywhere.
going.
Yes.
Everywhere in India.
Yes.
Wherever you have
Yes.
visited.
Indian habits are very responsible for pollution.
Yeah.
है ना? 60% pollution problems solve when we improve our habits. है ना? Everywhere, if in home any student, any children, they throw garbage, so mom said like that, why you don't do like that, है ना? But
That means
That
you
means-
think that there is no awareness,
yes, they have awareness,
Awareness, but-
they don't have any habit,
right? Habit, yeah.
They don't have any habit. In for future, I think governments giving attention, like challan, like that, for challan. So, but nowadays, if everyone take responsibility, they don't do like me, right? They only take his responsibility, try to understand what is environment, what is pollution. They know very well what is pollution, but they don't have habits, you know.
That means we are weakened practically.
Yes. I also
Why not? It's not.
Okay, have you? I don't know whether we have heard or not. Now there is also like conservation program is going on. Project is going on
in
in
Mizoram.
Mizoram. Today also the second phase has been kicked off today.
Okay.
In not far from here. So people are volunteering to clean the rivers, to take out the plastics and all.
It's
Now,
a great, sir.
yeah. So if you want to meet them, so we can. It's nearby.
Yeah.
We can make.
Where is it? I also want to join.
Yeah. Just nearby. After this, we'll try to
Oh,
go
sure,
there
why
and meet
not?
them. Okay.
Because
We'll call them up. Because it will be a good initiative and will be a good what to say, awareness for you also,
yeah.
so that you can encourage them and they both sides.
Also, I am also when I was trekking on mountains, then also I clean lots of garbage. Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, Kalsu I peak is the highest peak of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a well-educated state. Also in economy, Mumbai is very popular. But in Maharashtra, when I was trekked Kalsu I peak, then lots of bottle, lots of me and one of my friend who met there, and I think we are 4 members. So we collect like 2 or 3, 25 liters like plastic bag. We collect 2 or 3 plastic bags with bottles, only bottles, on hilly areas, mountains. And also I think mountains are very precious thing for our nature. है ना? So our government also taken very strictly rules for mountains.
Do you face any problem in between our border and Aizawl?
No any problem. all over northeast, no any problem, something happens in any everywhere, but
Đem má lại của cái đó.